Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong 6-6 love reading, meaning bubunot ako ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the main reading or main energy ng reading na ito. At bubunot naman tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the supporting cards, supporting details, supporting energy ng inyong main reading. And this is for all the Capricorn. Okay? So hello sa inyong mga Capricorns na nakasubaybay ngayon. Okay, kaya rin 6 dahil in numerology, ang 6 ay nurturing energy siya. So, para siyang motherly energy, which of course very good then, and we should manifest, especially when it comes to love. We should be manifesting na nurturing love in our lives, di ba? Okay, so habang binabalas ko gusto magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ang inyong suporta at pagmamahal. And sana patuloy niyong suportahan ang aking channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate itong reading na to. And sa mga bago, sana suportahan niyo rin po ang aking channel by liking this video and subscribing to Mystico Moreno para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost pang videos and para mag-grow talaga ang aking channel. Okay. I'll get the 6th card. So the Hanged Woman or the Hanged Man. 10 of Wands. 10 of Cups. 7 of Swords. The Emperor. And King of Swords. Okay. Ngayon naman, bunot tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the supporting energy. Maraming nabasa ko, tawag sa remind ang lahat na I'm doing a collective and general love reading. So, pwedeng mag-resonate ito, pwedeng hindi mag-resonate sa inyo. Kung hindi, huwag pilitin, ibig na sabihin hindi ko nasagap ang inyong energy today. So, abangan nyo na lang yung masusunod ko pang love readings. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na, or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa din ay mag-resonate din sa inyo. Dahil ang oracle and tarot readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? So, kung kailan yung siya mapanood, ibig sabihin, gusto na yung universe na marinig yun ng araw na yun. Okay. Better yet, syempre, mas okay kung naka-book kayo ng private and personal love reading dahil naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Okay. So, first card, 8 of Coins. Oops, the Empress. 6 of Swords. Page of Cups. 2 of Swords. And 8 of Cups. Ooh, okay, may biglang download habang nire-review ko yung mga cards. Explain ko bakit mamaya. Okay. So you might be dealing with an Aries, okay, a Taurus, what else, and a Pisces. So, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, yun yung strong energy na nasa sagap na reading na to. Pwede pa rin naman na other signs. Pero check nyo rin yung Moon, Venus, Rising placements ng person ninyo. Baka Aries, Taurus, and Pisces sila sa mga placements na yun. Okay. So, the main energy, you have the Hangman, the Ten of Wands, Ten of coins, and, Ten of Cups, Seven of Swords, the Emperor, and King of Swords. So at the moment, you and your person is currently evaluating the current situation between the two of you. Ito dahil sa supporting energy. Okay. So what I can see here is that, so I'm just going to really interpret yung downloads, okay? So, this is a relationship that is the conventional type of relationship. However, your person is, or you, it could be, the roles can be reversed naman talaga. Pero I can see here that your person is realizing that he or she is for an unconventional relationship, meaning a same gender relationship. Kasi as seen here, lumabas kasi si Page of Cups. Nung lumabas to talaga kanina, especially there's a letting go on the supporting cards. Yun yung biglang energy na nasagap ko that your person is currently like wanting to pursue a same gender relationship, but okay, it doesn't have to, or again, it may apply to some of you, pero for some, okay, the Page of Cups represents then the a flirty, fiery connection with someone. Okay? I don't see here a third party situation. Okay? But meron, alam mo yun, parang but what I see here is entertaining the tension, diba, na binibigay sa person ninyo. Mamaya babalikan natin yan. But at the moment, there's currently a re-evaluation nung relationship. There's a pause. You're like, sige, tignan natin ano bang pwede pang, ano ba talaga, kung decided ka na ba or hindi, or ipupush mo ba yan or hindi. May ganong energy kasi. So, meron kayong pinag-decidean together. But I can see here that this waiting and parang waiting and seeing, or this contemplation na nangyayari between the two of you is already taking a toll with the Ten of Wands here. Medyo naging parang burden na siya na, ano mo yung energy na, ay, ano ba yan, nakakapagod na, kailan ba, ano ba, ipupush mo natin to or not. Kasi, for you want your relationship to be long term, and alam mo yun, nandun na kayo sa point na ay gusto niyo na mag-settle down. Kaso itong person ninyo kasi, especially lumabas si Seven of Swords, it's your person is not really being transparent. Mahal ka naman niya, pero kasi there's this part of him or her na iba din talaga yung gusto niya in life. Parang ginagawa na lang niya yun ngayon para hindi ka masaktan. Pero kasi, especially with the Seven of Swords, your person is not being transparent. In fact, may fear siya to fully commit with you dahil meron nga siyang tendencies. Okay? And yun yung tendencies na na-mention ko earlier. Kasi here with the Emperor card, yung it's a parang kasi nakakabit siya with the deception card, which is the Seven of Swords, and parang pinapakita niya nga na okay, he or she is someone who can balance everything in life, the mga priorities, relationship, or even show the responsibility and someone that you can really rely on. But actually, hindi. May hindi siya actually what he or she is trying to portray. Tapos with the King of Swords here, I can see here na issue rin, well, King of Swords by right is a card of honesty and maturity. However, kasi with the shift here, with the Seven of Swords here, what I see, lalo na gupit na siya dito sa mga cards of commitment, of stability, responsibility, and maturity and honesty. It's actually, yun yung fina-front niya, na ganun siyang person. Okay? But, in fact, ano siya, there's something in him or her na alam niya na hindi siya ganun. Gets. Sige, punta tayo sa supporting card. But he or she is really making an effort to show that that kind of caring and nurturing love. Pero, dahil dito, with the Six of Swords here naman na gusto na niya, actually parang gusto na lang din niyang tanggapin yung kanyang tendencies. So, again, going back, ito talaga yung nasasagap kong energy. I don't know why. I try to parang alisin siya and try to reinterpret it, pero yun talaga yung ano, and I don't want to manipulate my readings. So, yung parang your person, this Six of Swords, parang gusto na niya din talagang mag-move on and release that baggage. Kasi itong baggage na to, it's yun nga yung burden na nasa taas. It's already taking a toll. Nagiging parang baggage na siya and gusto na niya talagang i-let go. Yung mga tinatry niyang i-keep, i-hide, di ba? Parang gusto niya magpakatotoo and ayaw ka naman niyang masaktan din. So with the Empress card, he or she really cares. Love ka naman niya. Pero yun nga, meron siyang other tendencies. And that tendencies is leading him or her to do a big decision in his life or her life. With the Two of Swords, there's a very difficult choice na kailangan niyang gawin. And medyo in denial pa rin nga siya kasi also Two of Swords is a card of denial or yung takot na harapin yung katotohanan. Parang ganun. Pero kung ang katotohanan ay you're attracted to the same gender, di ba? Parang magpakatotohan na lang kasi magiging issue lang yung hindi lang din mag-work yung relationship in the long run. So, here with the Eight of Cups here, again, it's a card of walking away and letting go of the relationship. Dalawang cards of letting go and walking away. The Six of Swords and the Eight of Cups. It's this giving the same vibe, the same energy. Six of Swords is really letting go. Okay? Moving on. Surrendering na lang sa reality na okay, kailangan tanggapin na I have to move on. Eight of Cups naman when it comes to the emotions. It's also a card of self-discovery, ang Eight of Cups. So, ngayon, recently, nadidiscover ng person ninyo na he or she has that kind of tendency and he or she wants to let go na. Okay? So, and I guess what you have to do is just set this person free. Pero, Ayan, again, use this reading with discernment. Na wag laging mag-rely or wag maging dependent at wag yung gamitin na personal and ultimate truth niyo ang mga tarot readings, especially a collective and general reading. Pero I hope that this helps sa inyong awareness and enlightenment na ano yung mga kailangan nyo pang gawin dahil hawak nyo pa rin naman ng inyong kapalaran. You always have the free will, so always use tarot readings with discernment. Okay? So, kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Ingat!